Alright everybody, we've got a Craftsman Eager 1 5.5 horsepower Tecumseh. Won't start. I suspect that there's water in the fuel, and so we're going to take off the recoil, we're going to take off the top cover here, and take off the air cleaner, because you see when you take the air cleaner off here, you can see that fuel line right there. We're going to clamp the fuel line off. This is too close down here to the bottom. See where that bowl nut is right there? It's too close to here. You can't get a socket on this particular one. I didn't bring any box ends or open end wrenches with me. So we'll get the cover off, we'll get the recoil off, we'll get the muffler off, and then there's two bolts right under here, and we'll pull the carburetor out, we'll take it apart, and we'll see what's inside. Hi guys, sorry for getting this in the middle. We're working on a Craftsman lawnmower here. It's got a Tecumseh engine and it's not starting. Here's what I found inside the float bowl. A lot of green stuff going on. There was some dirt in there, some algae growing, so we're going to clean it up. We'll start out by cleaning the jet here, making sure that's clear all the way through. I'm just using a torch tip cleaner here. There's a hole down here in the center. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're just going to go all the way down with it, because this is the main jet. You can see the corrosion buildup on here. And then we'll get a larger one and see if we can clean up the outer area a little bit. Luckily we caught it in time. There's not a lot of major problems with it right now. But you can see what the water and the ethanol did to it. We're going to go ahead and pop out the emulsion tube. If you look, it's right down inside there. When I get the carburetor apart in a minute, I'll show you where it stands up. So, hold on, be right back. Alright, we're back. Kind of late in the day here. See if we can get all this broke loose real quick. Okay, that's not coming off. Let's see if we can get this end off. We only need one end off. We'll get this air cleaner adapter. See if we can get a better camera angle for you guys. There we go. Now I can see what you're seeing, that way I'm not out of frame. So we get this air cleaner adapter off real quick. And if we look inside here, I don't know if you can see right in here or not, there's a tube right here sticking up. We press on that tube and it is the emulsion tube. Let's see if we can get that to pop out. Wow, that one's stuck in there real good. Yeah, she's stuck tight. Alright, well, we'll run this through the center. See if that comes all the way through. So that's clear. See where that's running through. I'm pretty sure the rest of it's pretty clean. I think it just had some water in the bottom of it. And some crud. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing back together. We'll spend a moment and clean it up. Get some of these parts back on it. Alright, we're just getting this air cleaner adapter back on. This will be a real short video. Just when I get phone calls from people saying, oh, my mower doesn't work, or oh, this doesn't work. I open up the gas cap, I smell the gas, see if it smells terrible. And then I pop the float bowl. And hope I don't find that. Let me take a moment here and we'll clean all this up. See if we can get some of that out of there. Might have to take a little bit of gas and do it. I don't have any carb cleaner with me, I'm not at home. Yeah, let me get a little bit of gas. Hold on a second.